Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today is Mother's Day, it's Sunday, and I know you're not gonna see this video on Sunday, but even if you see it after Mother's Day, I want to wish every mother a belated happy Mother's Day. Guys, I needed to go out to the Dollar Tree to buy what do you call this, Chanel stamps, because I'm doing a wreath and I wanted to use these. So what I did was I bought two packages of with the different colors so I could have every color. So what I do, I just put the green with the green, the gold with the gold, silver with the silver, and gold with the gold. So I bought two of those. So I want to share my um, little haul with you. It's not much. Um, I wanted to do a shop along, so I wanted to take you guys with me, but that store was packed. When I tell you that store was packed, it was packed. I did not even finish my shopping. There was so many people that I actually got inside and I had to get out of there. So I wanted to get some new flowers because this Tuesday is Anna's celebration. And like I said, you may say this after that day, but anyways, congratulations, Anna. I'm so happy for you. I need a ribbon for my lantern. They didn't have ribbon with wired. They didn't have, I mean, my Dollar Tree was run over like a tornado. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I got two of these. I'm doing this Tuesday. I'm doing a table for two, but I got two of these. But I am not going to use this as a regular cap. I'm going to use this as my coaster. My glass will be on top of here. That's just an idea. So this my glass will sit here like so. So this will be my coaster. So yeah, guys. So I got two of them. So there you go. I have two of those. Also, I needed trash bag. So I only found one of these, and I used the 13-gallon. So as you guys can see, it's just a little Dollar Tree haul. And also, I bought this little tea light battery operated candles because in my one of my hauls, I think it's coming up. You see those little thing right up there that you guys can see that I'm pointing on. It gets for it has the center for the big candles like this, the width, or you could use tea light. So I'm going to use tea light because that is a very fragile glass. It's a thin glass, and when the wax melt in there, and you are going to clean it, by you trying to clean it, you might slip and hit the glass and break it, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to use this. And of course, I got this one for my lantern. Like I said, they're not wired. They're just regular patriotic ribbon. Um, this should, yeah, it's not wired. I could tell. It's like burlap, but I will do the best that I can with it. If I had regular red Christmas ribbon with the wired, as long as it doesn't have the Christmas design in it, I could use that. And also I got this one as well. And yeah, this one is not wired either, but it has the little card, which I think is cute. I got that. I got two poopy bags for my dogs. I always like to keep this on stock because let me tell you guys, I have neighbors here that they have dogs and they don't bother to pick up the after their dogs, and they be like, I'd be like, you going to pick up after your dog? You know, the kids step on it and we always step on it. Be like, oh, I don't have any bags. So I said, well, here you go. There's no excuse now. So pick up after your dog. Yep, I do that, guys. I do that. There's some people that are irresponsible and they don't care. And also, I picked this mini jade roller for my face. I buy the mask that you put on your face, and this is good to massage your face. So I bought this one. I wanted a bigger one, but they didn't have it. But this is fine. You know, just do it. And that's my little haul from the Dollar Tree. Also, I stopped family was it Family Dollar? Yes, Family Dollar. And as you guys see right there, I have my pink peonies on the table. There's those big ones. So I thrifted those long time ago. It came in a with a whole bunch of flower, but I wanted those. So I thrifted those. And I've been looking for them, and everywhere that I look, they're very expensive. And I went to Family Dollar. I said, "Ah, let me go check what they have for flowers." And lo and behold, I found peonies. I think they're, yeah, extra large peonies in lavender, in white, and I found some hydrangeas as well. So this I bought one of each because I'm only going to be using, just going to be making one flower arrangement. These are the hydrangeas. So I got one of the hydrangeas. They are $3 each, and I don't know if something was going on Family Dollar. I told the girl I have three flowers, you know, three stems, and she only charged me for two. And I said, you charged me for two, and I have three. She's like, don't worry about it. I said, okay, thank you very much. And she was like, Happy Mother's Day. So I don't know. I really don't know, guys. And that made me kind of funny. So, but anyways, I told my husband said, well, don't worry about it because I know the manager and I will talk to her when she come when because that's where we buy the dog food. So he'll talk to her. So we don't know what's going on there. And then this is the extra large peonies in lavender. I think they are beautiful. They have two of the lavender. I was gonna get the other one, but the other one was missing, I think, two of the flowers, and I was not gonna get it because it was missing flowers. But and then here are the white ones. So I think these flowers are gorgeous. They're full. So this is what it looks like all put together. So I think they are gorgeous. I was like, if I would have known that I would have find this on Family Dollar, I would have gone a long time ago and bought some. And they had all different colors, but I was only ready to buy just this one. So I think just these three uh, flowers right here makes a bouquet. Look at that. Look at how full that is. When you have to use so many from the Dollar Tree to just make one flower arrangement. So I'm happy with this. So look at that, guys. Beautiful. Well, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.